Psalm 127 verse 3 to 4.
Behold, children are a heritage from the Lord.
The fruit of the womb a reward.
Like arrows in the hand of a warrior
Are the children of one's youth.
The word for arrows in Tsonga is miseve. Just as arrows have been used to defend and protect, so too are children a mighty weapon for Christ when well taught and well trained.
The motto of Miseve Classical School is, "Children are arrows, Christ the target." And this is because our goal is to develop students that joyfully acknowledge Christ in all of life.
How can you glorify God?
Our goal is to see each student transformed into the image of Christ, which can only come through new hearts.
Learning at the school about God's precious word.
With the gospel as the foundation, the students learn English well, along with the other necessary subjects of maths, science, phonics, reading, and writing. Every subject is taught by loving teachers from a Christian worldview, whether it be art, business, music, character, fashion, sports, or architecture. Every lesson is placed under the feet of Christ.
For more information, visit our website and Facebook page.
Miseve Classical School. Children are arrows, Christ the target.